Friends, about 10 days back, I can say, on February 17th, a lawyer couple by name Gattu Vaman Rao and Nagalakshmi, while coming from Peddapalli Court, Manthani or something, Telangana it happened. While coming back at about 2:20 p.m., they were waylaid and killed by some people. Of course, it's a political issue. Whatever it is, it has sent ripples among the advocate community, both wife and husband, who are active in social rights or human rights. They were killed right in the streets itself. Very bad incident. Before we forgot the same, another incident happened. I'm sorry. Another incident took place in, of course, in Karnataka state, in Hospet. You may know Hospet is in the newly formed Vijayanagara district. Very recently, the district has been declared. It happened yesterday. We were shocked on, not yesterday, Friday, Saturday. On Saturday, normally the court work will not be there, but still, as advocates, we used to go to the court and attend to office and attend to the pending works, if any. Likewise, our advocate by name Tarihalli Venkatesh. So he went to the court, civil court premises in Hospet, and he was discussing with his friends. He was sitting in chair literally. You can see his dead body also, slashed with a knife, and he was lying like this. Right. At about 11:30, while he was discussing with the friends, suddenly the accused came on a motorcycle, armed with a knife, and stabbed the advocate on his neck and also in the front portion of the chest. Due to which he suddenly, actually he could not even fall down from the chair. I have seen that photo. So he died instantaneously. Right? It happened on 27/2/2021 at 11:30 a.m. in broad daylight. Right? So he was sitting in the court. He was discussing with his colleagues when the killer barged into the court with a cycle, on a motorcycle. Right? So when the onlookers or when the frightened advocates, they have been watching the incident with horror. That fellow, his name is Manoj. He is related to the advocate also. So he hacked the advocate and slashed the deceased with a sharp weapon in the head and also neck. That's the chest portion, killing him instantaneously. What a horrible situation. So the blood was oozing like that, and incidentally, the police were also on the spot. Some police constables, normally they will be keeping guard near the court premises. Somehow they were present immediately. They came and caught hold of this Manoj. A video was also taken. Of course, he says that the initial investigation by Hospet police, it discloses that this incident happened due to some property disputes. Maybe this advocate may be having some property disputes with his relatives. He is a relative, close relative, maybe this Manoj. Of course, he was arrested. He was taken to the police station. A case under section 302 has been registered. Of course, the result will be different, but to what extent the killing spree is going on. That's why actually Karnataka State Bar Association, they have mooted the idea of Advocates Protection Act. The advocate should not be killed. So, what is the sanctity of the court? Normally, you may be hearing whether a person can be arrested in the court premises or not, whether a lawyer can be arrested in a criminal case. Of course, in civil cases, you cannot arrest him. In criminal cases, and all these questions will be coming to the minds of young lawyers, because we have to give respect to the court premises. Where the court premises, they have got their own sanctity. That's why normally we advise people not to get arrested within the court premises. Of course, you may know, I have told you the case of judges also. Of course, they have got the so-called Judges Protection Act, under which normally you cannot register an FIR against a judge without the permission of the district judge. Right? They have got the protection. But as advocates, what is the protection to us? Nobody knows. So the only protection is according to the so-called Indian Act right from section 122 like that, that is privileged communications. If an advocate, if a client comes to you and discloses that he has committed the murder, you need not disclose it to the any other person. So this is the only privilege we have got, but definitely a time has come where we have to strive for the Advocates Protection Act. Whatever action is done in good faith, normally the advocates should be protected from arrest, from this type of harassment, and from the type of the frequently occurring murders. Otherwise there will be no end. So you also please think over the manner and try to come up with your purpose, how to protect the advocates in their profession. For this purpose only I am making this video. I do not give any sentinels or any morals in this connection. Things will happen, but we have to be prepared, and we must definitely seek protection. But how to seek protection? And Advocates Protection Act, just like Judicial Officers Protection Act, Advocates Protection Act also should be there. We have all to unite and to get that act within a short time. Thank you very much.